with this new update, you can manage your Shopify store. But if you need a extra functionality, like if you want a wholesale feature within this theme, then this video is for you, so that you just need to install this theme, and after installation you can run B2B and B2C within Shopify without any app. So you will be surprised that without any app, maybe I am telling you that you need to purchase the B2B plan Shopify, that is the plus plan, that will cost you around 2000 US dollar per month. No, 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 it's a big no. You just need to purchase this wholesale theme, that is the Dawn theme. So it is the similar theme with the wholesale code. So what will it will do, let me show you. The theme contain wholesale request form. You can create multiple fields by drag drop. So if someone fill this form and click on send, you will receive the email, and from that email you can create the customer account from the backend. So this is the simple one. Let me show you the working of this theme. As you can see, this is the retail area, and if you want to restrict some product that will be only available to the wholesale customers, so using this theme you can do that. So let me show you the wholesale area. So this is the wholesale area access. This is the demo. So after login or sign in, this is the wholesale products. As you can see, these are the wholesale products, and it also contains the quick order. As you know, quick order is also available in the new Dawn theme, but I created this quick order form for you. And this is the wholesale area that can be only accessed to the wholesale customer. The other customer can't access this product, they can't purchase this product. And you can create multiple products as per your needs. You can create multiple collections as well, and you can change the pricing for the wholesale product. These product only visible to the wholesale customer after login. But now you will ask, how the Shopify will know this is the wholesale customer? It is very simple. You just need to put a wholesale tag into their profile, and after putting that profile, the wholesale tag on their profile, this is will after they log in, they can access the wholesale store. So their user ID will become as a wholesale ID. So it is pretty simple. So log in, log out. As you can see, the main menu is replaced, and if I do it again for you, let me add, and if I sign in, watch the main menu. The main menu is replaced, and the top is showing that welcome to wholesale store. And the another feature within this theme, you don't need to purchase any app for this, no need to upgrade the plan, just upload this theme. This is the Shopify Dawn theme latest version, so you will get the same functionality of the 15.4. so let me add a product, and if I go to the cart, you can see the minimum order. So this also come with this theme functionality that I added within this theme. So you just need to upgrade or just replace your 15.4 with this theme. And if I increase the price, then I can do the checkout. So you can see the functionality, and if I log out, this I can see the retail store. And what you need to do is just purchase this theme by clicking on the buy this theme or you can just go to the link shared within the description as well. I pin the comment, so you can just open the comment and you can visit the website from which you can purchase this theme. Right now the price is dropped and the prices are for USD is 23. So you can just purchase this theme, and after purchase you will get the functionality that you needed for the wholesale. So only you will get the documentation as well as the theme. So just upload that theme part and you can run the wholesale area within that, and using the documentation you can manage your wholesale. And the theme version is the latest version, that is the 15.4, so you don't need to worry about the updates. So whenever a new update comes, the theme will be updated and you can replace that. It is legal, so you don't need to worry about anything. If you like it, the video, I will share more and create more themes for you. Thank you.